All right, Wednesday morning workouts in, about to head back to the office. Markets, stock market, trading a little bit higher, seeing strength in the foreign currencies, weakness in the dollar. Last night, President Trump comes out, makes an announcement, talks about that COVID relief bill that we got agreement on in the House and the Senate yesterday. Comes out and says that he's not thrilled with it, wants it to go back, wants them to regroup and make some changes and then resubmit. So, markets traded lower on that news initially. They've since bounced back, and as I said, trading a bit higher. We'll see what happens. Could be a big day on that news front. See if we can get this thing over the finish line. Otherwise, wanted to give a shout out to everyone. Hope you have a very happy, safe holidays. I know we're creeping up on Christmas Friday. Make sure you spend some time with your family. I know that it's a different year for all of us. Not what we planned, not what we expected, and a lot of us are spending time away from our families this holidays for obvious reasons. Make sure you call someone, reach out. Everybody needs someone right now during this time of year. So again, stay safe, stay healthy. Nadex, we're going to do our part. We're going to keep you busy with educational content. Go check out our YouTube page. Check out some of the upcoming webinars we have. I'm going to keep doing videos through the holidays, keep you posted on what's going on in the world. But again, from all of us at Nadex, happy holidays. I'll check in with you again tomorrow morning. But right now, let's go get after it. All right, bye-bye.